Yo, what is going on YouTube? So today's video, I'm going to be showing you the best Pizza Hut promo codes in 2024. Now look at this, guys. I've just added a ton of pizzas to the basket here and applied a £100 off code. This will also be dollars if you're in the US. So you can see, guys, the total would have been £113.94, but it's removed £100 off, so it's now $13.94 plus, of course, the annoying delivery fee. So the checkout total will be £15.93, and that's a medium, large, and also another large. So look at all of that food. So let me show you how you can get your Pizza Hut promo codes. These work worldwide, so everyone can do this, guys. Doesn't matter what country you're in, and you need to use your mobile phone. And you've got to go to this website, guys, www.topdogcodes.com. So topdogcodes.com, guys, this website here, and pretty self-explanatory, but they specialize in coupon codes and promo codes that basically going to save you money. So go to the search bar at the top here, and you need to search Pizza Hut. Now, if you just search pizza, you can see there's a Domino's one, and there is also a Pizza Hut. Okay, so they must have changed it, but yeah. So, okay, in this case, it's 50 off, so it will be dollars or pounds. So, yeah, it doesn't matter where you are in the world. So they must have just updated this, but yeah, it's 50 still pretty good. And you can also get free pizza. So all you've got to do, guys, is click on Show Coupon. Now, you have to unlock the code. Obviously, these are super desirable. They can save you a ton of money. So this prevents people from stealing all of the codes to make a personal profit from. So you need to unlock your personal code. So you can see here, it is protected. So to get your code, you tap Unlock Code. Now, I'm not going to run through the entire process because I don't need any more codes. But when that reaches 100%, you're going to see a new screen, and it's going to tell you how to unlock your Pizza Hut promo code. Super easy, guys. It does take about 5 minutes. But yeah, then it's going to reveal your code, and you can literally enter it into the basket on Pizza Hut. And so this one is now outdated, so they've updated it to a 50, but yeah, 50 should still get you a couple of pizzas, and it's pretty cool, guys. So go to topdogcodes.com and just follow through all of the instructions you've seen in this video, and that's going to get you your free pizzas or money off. So yeah, enjoy, guys. Any questions, drop them in the comment section below, and I'll see you next time. Peace.